Mawkynrew MLA Banteidor Lyngdoh, along with members of the Lyngdoh village Dorbar, inspected the ongoing construction of the sub-health centre, which is funded under the PM Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission. A total amount of rupees 55 lakh has been earmarked for the construction of the sub-health centre through the centrally sponsored scheme. Speaking to reporters, he expressed his happiness over the progress and said that the government has sanctioned similar sub-health centre in another 4 villages within the constituency, including Lyngdoh, Maulat and Lyngdoh.
Central scheme kawa amdai tang po like karong ngidan south central kishnong gi yo ekni scheme dega PM abim scheme kawa ngin chnai kini sub center kani gawai ni po like karong nang ta po Nongjrong Maulat nang ta po Lyngdoh bat kumta teter dang don su kishnong ki ba mentala ya atrai gin sedang bantrai apo mau beru kojo tingin dawan ni penpau ke jing sungu sikat de ya ka shnong hi lingba ka executive committee po jing lam jong sadar shnong ba jing trei la trei palat mut lingba ka bor shnong mo la trei palat banya ka estimate ke bangi labu ba benda trei ke ne ka subsenta ni